Is it a good time at the moment to get out of a PCP halfway through? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel, folks. JD here again. So a couple of days ago I put a video out about how to get out of PCP early, and that kind of got me thinking, what if we were to take a theoretical example? Because currently at the moment, July 2021, used prices seem to be going through the roof. I thought it might be a good little theoretical exercise to see where we would be if we took out a 4-year PCP and we wanted to get out of it halfway through. So what I've done, I've chosen a car at random, and I've gone for the cheapest Mini I could find. So obviously this is all going to be a little bit theoretical because this is today's offer, and then we're going to look at a 2-year-old car now, if you see what I mean. So, you know, it won't be the most accurate, but it's the best I can do. So what I've done, look, I've chosen a mini hatchback 1.51 classic 3-door, and basically it's if we look at the finance figures here, look, it's a 47 plus 1. So remember from previous videos, 48 months, but 47 equal payments. Month 48 is where your optional future payment lies. It's got a on the road cash price of 16,605. We've got to put in a £2,000 deposit, and it's coming out at £200 a month with an APR of 4.9% and an option to purchase payment of 6,72013. Now, when I was looking at this earlier, and I've seen this before, and this kind of concerns me in a way, because what do you notice about these figures? I'll tell you what I noticed is that they don't actually add up. And I've had this before, and I think I've done this on a previous video a while ago. Look at the figures and let's try and work out what's wrong with them. I'll tell you why I spotted straight away there was something wrong. I've just put these into this spreadsheet. Look, as always, you can contact me for a copy of the spreadsheet. So I put in, look, 16,605, a deposit of £2,000, a guaranteed future value of 6,72013, which is exactly what it says here. Look, 16,605, deposit of £2,000, final value of 6,72013, and look, they're saying it's £200 a month. Okay, the spreadsheet is telling me under those particular circumstances, it's £211.71 a month. So something's not quite right there. And then I did a little bit more digging, and it's easy to spot. 16,605 less £2,000 deposit means our credit agreement, the amount of money we're borrowing, is obviously 14,605. Look what they've got on the quote, 14,104.60. So hang on a minute, 16,605, deposit of £2,000, total amount of credit 14,104.60. Well, I'm not being funny, but there is £500 and 40 pence going into this agreement that is not shown on this quote. So what we've then got to do is, obviously, I'm assuming that they are putting in a deposit contribution of £500 and 40 pence. So why isn't it shown on here? Anyway, let's just put that on. £500 40 pence. Oh look, lo and behold, loan amount 14,104.60, 14,104.60, monthly payment on the spreadsheet £200 and a penny. I think that's the closest I've ever seen my spreadsheet. They're saying 200 dead. I've got £200 and a penny. So anyway, another thing just to check when you're looking at these quotes. Obviously, it's not going to affect your monthly payment, but why haven't they shown this extra deposit that's going in to bring this total amount of credit down to what is shown here? Anyway, I digress. So £200 a month. Right. So then what I did is, like I did before, I went over to Auto Trader and I got a valuation based on a mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Classic. It doesn't show it on here, but I basically put it in as a July 2019 car. Okay, so July 2019 with 20,000 miles on it. Based on good condition, part exchange price is 12,790. So let's stick that into the amortization table, assuming 24 equal payments. So let's put that we started this agreement in July 2019. So 24 payments takes us today, July 2021. look at this, and even, let's just get rid of that for a minute, even if we assume 58 days interest is added, I've said before, it's very difficult to get an exact settlement figure because it depends how they calculate the interest payable when you settle early. But even if we're assuming a little bit more than 58 days interest, so let's say it's 10,600 to settle, we put in our value here of 12,790, £2,296 positive equity. So we've put £2,000 in at the beginning. They've put £500.40 in, even though it doesn't say they have. We could get out of that agreement quite comfortably based on this part exchange price and based on assuming that we paid that money for that Mini 2 years ago and got the same deal as we would today. So obviously I said, it's a little bit theoretical. £2,296. So you've put £2,000 in at the beginning, so you, in theory, would still be £296 up to get out of the car after 2 years. So it just shows you, with used prices so high at the moment, PCPs can really make sense. And if we were to sell it privately and get what it says here, look, 13,550, 3,056. So 1,056 up, including the £2,000 that we put in at the beginning. Interesting stuff. I think you'll agree. Anyway, that was just a very quick video for today. I hope you're all safe and well. Please do continue to comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really helps the channel. I'm getting close to 5,000 subscribers, so it'd be nice to hit that mark within the next month or so. As I said, do send me an email if you want a copy of the spreadsheet that you've just seen me using, or also the EV salary sacrifice spreadsheet if you're thinking about going down that route in your company, or maybe you're an employee and you're trying to get your company to start such a scheme. And I will see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.